Hello everyone. We first open the bag for Kara 2 Pro ventilator. In bag we have first one pouch with accessories, then unit. In one pouch we have user manual. In another pouch we have circuit with pressure sensor tube. In accessories pouch we have a spare filter, we have two straight connector for HME filter, we have a spare cassettes for filter, we have oxygen connector, we have one HME filter, we have cable, power cable, we have power adapter. In machine, in back side there is one connector for oxygen inlet. Here we have to insert oxygen connector. Then we have power on off. We have a slot for power adapter. There is one arrow we have to put upside this arrow. Then we have a serial output. We have here SD card inside. Then we have slot for filters. In front side display, multifunctional key, on off key, alarm mute key, home key, lock key, home key, reverse key, inhale port, exhale port, pressure sensor port. First we put on, we get display, place exhale port here, inhale port here, and this is pressure sensor tube to insert here. One portion of pressure sensor inserted here and other portion is inserted in Y piece. You can put HME filter here also, HME filter or bacteria filter here. This is the test lung for our testing kits. In monitoring, in display we have monitoring, we have parameters, we have alarm log, we have system, we have statics, we have services. First we need parameters. After touching parameters we have three preset, set 1, set 2, set 3. We can preset 3 different modes, like in set 1 if we have PCV, in set 2 we have PSV, in set 3 we have pressure SIMV. We can set any modes in any sets. as per our customized. If we select set 1, we have PCB mode. We can change the mode also as per our requirement. Suppose we change VCB mode, then we change parameters, tidal volume, P frequency as per our requirement. And for starting turbine or ventilation, we have to press this button, start button. This is the parameter which we set it. This is the parameter which patient acquired. In home screen, we have monitor. Here is patient monitoring. Pressure, frequency, IE ratio, minute ventilation, tidal volume, inhale tidal volume, exhale tidal volume, and leakage. In graph, we have graphs for pressure, flow and volume. In loop, we have volume loop. We can change volume to pressure, flow to volume as per our requirement, as per our customization. In alarm log, we can see the alarm parameters, last alarm parameters. In system, we can calibrate sensor and tubings. In statics, we can see the statics. Service mode is for service personnel, not for user or not for doctor. We mostly use this monitoring mode or parameter mode. That's it.